Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Canva, a powerful design tool that's perfect for beginners. So, let's get started and learn how to use Canva like a pro. Canva is a user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of templates, tools, and features to help you create stunning designs. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva has got you covered. First things first, let's talk about the interface. Canva's user-friendly design makes it easy to navigate and find the tools you need. The home page is divided into sections, each with its own set of templates and tools. Now, let's dive into the top features of Canva. One of the most impressive aspects is the vast library of templates. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation, or a poster, Canva has a template for you. Another great feature is the drag and drop editor. This makes it super easy to add elements to your design, move them around, and resize them. Canva also offers a wide range of fonts, colors, and graphics to choose from. You can customize your designs to your heart's content, making it easy to create a unique and professional-looking design. Using Canva is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive interface and user-friendly tools. You can create designs for social media, presentations, posters, and more, all in just a few clicks. So, there you have it. A quick overview of how to use Canva for beginners. Give it a try and see how easy it is to create stunning designs. And remember, if you're looking for more in-depth tutorials, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.